How y'all doing? Lincoln Charter School, fourth grade. It's Mr. Way. We are back with your multiplication facts. We're doing 2 digit by 1 digit multiplication. Just a quick recap over what we went over yesterday. I still have the paper right here, and we're going to continue. I have a few worksheets here, but we went over this sheet here. As you can see, we did a couple problems at the top. Then the one I gave you to do on your own, actually, it was 25. It was 25 times 5. If you came out with the correct answer, you should have got 125 for 25 times 5. Just to give you the answer to that was my Mr. Wade question of the day yesterday. We're going to move on to a worksheet that's going to look very familiar. We did this in class. This worksheet right here, it looks very familiar. You can take a look at it. We'll do the top row together, and then I want you to answer at least a couple of this on the bottom row right here. So we're going to start with this first problem we have right here. It's 77 times 9. 77 times 9. Again, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw the dinosaur head, because that seems to help some of you. So we'll put the dinosaur head. I'm going to do it on a few of these right here just to save a couple steps, because we'll do the first row together. Now, here we go. We have the first one, which is 77 times 9. You'll take the 9, this 9, times 7. So I'll give you a minute to figure that out. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 7 is 63. So we'll put our 3 down under 9. You put your 3 down and you carry the 6. You'll carry the 6. So you see how I did that? I said 9 times 7 was 63. I'll put my 3 down. I carry the 6. So we have, again, 9 times 7, which would give us 63. And then it's 63 plus the 6. So 63 plus 6 gives us 69. So we put our 69 down. You may want to make sure you line everything up. So it'd be 9 and 6. And it's going to look something like that. So 77 times 9 is 693. And we'll move on to our second one. If anybody has any questions, leave it in the comments and we can go back over this again. Or you can leave me a comment in your Google Classroom. You can email me directly from Google Classroom and we can go over this together. But your answer should be 693. For the second one, we have 19 times 6. 19 times 6 is the problem right here. 19 times 6. So the first step is to take 6 times 9. I'll give you a minute to work that out. 6 times 9. 6 times 9, you should have got 54. 54. 6 times 9 is 54. So we'll put our 4 down and we'll carry the 5. So you can do, your paper should look like mine. We put our 4 down, we carry the 5. Next, we take 6 times 1 which equals 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 5 is 11. We'll put our 11 down, which gives us an answer of 114. So 19 times 6 on your paper, you should have 114. You can write this one down. The next one be 24 times 8. I'll give you a minute to look at it. It's 24 times 8. Once you have it written down, we'll go into our first step, which is taking 8 times 4. What is 8 times 4? 8 times 4 is 32. So we're going to put our 2 down and we'll carry the 3, like so. I'm going to write it down. Your paper at home should look just like mine. We're going to put our 2 down and we're going to carry the 3. So we have it here. 8 times 4 is 32. We put our 2 down and then we carry the 3. The second step is to take 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 gives us 19. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus the 3 gives us 19. So we're filling our answer right here of 19. Which should look like this. So when it says 24 times 8, the answer is 192. Right here. You should, if you don't, you can go ahead and write this problem down, which is 90 times 7. 90 times 7. All right, in this one, the first step is to what? If you're saying to yourself, take 7 times 0, you are correct. We'll take 7 times 0, which gives us what? If you said 0, you're correct. So we're going to put our 0 down here. We have our 0 down. So 7, first step, 7 times 0 is 0. Remember, we have to multiply by both numbers. So we'll take the 7 times 9 next. And 7 times 9 is 63. So we'll put our 63 down. Now to complete our answer and give us 630. So our problem, 90 times 7 is 630. Hopefully everybody's following along. And like again, you see how we're doing it. We didn't have to carry anything in this one because it was 7 times 0. So it was just regular 7 times 9. We didn't have anything extra to add. This last one is 36 times 5. So step 1 in 36 times 5 is what? Right now, you should be saying to yourself, we're going to take 5 times 6. So 5 times 6 was what? If you said 30, you'd be correct. And we have to put our 30 down. 5 times 6 is 30. We write down the 0. We carry the 3. Like so. We did it here. 5 times 6 is 30. We put our 0 down. We carry the 3. Second step is take the 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 equals 18. So it's 5 times 3, which gives you 15, plus 3 gives you 18. You put your answer, you put your 18 down here, which will give you an answer of 180. Your sheet should look like mine. We have 5 times 6 equals 30. We put our 0 down. We carried the 3. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 equals 18, which gave us an answer of 180. Now, for yourself, for tomorrow, I want you to leave your answers in the comments, or you can send them to me on Google Classroom. I want you to answer the next 2 questions. We'll go over these in our video for tomorrow. This one, I want you to do 21 times 6. So you'll answer 21 times 6 and 82 times 4. I'll show you those again. You're answering these 2 questions right here. 21 times 6 and 82 times 4. Those are your questions for tomorrow. This is Mr. Way. I'm signing off. And hopefully this video was helpful. Again, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you can get these videos direct. Share them with your classmates, because some friends may not be getting the videos and they may need help with this multiplication. So make sure you're sharing the videos. And again, answer those 2 problems. Problems for tomorrow is 21 times 6 and 82 times 4. Leave your answer either in the comments on this video or send them to me email in your Google Classroom. See y'all tomorrow.